Hey everyone, today I'm doing something I've never done before. I am checking into a hostel for the very first time. I'm still in Telluride, Colorado. I just had a day skiing on the mountains, and now I am checking in at the Bivvi hostel about 10 miles south of town. I'm staying in a 6-person bunk room. I've already gone ahead and checked in and gotten my room key, but I haven't quite seen the room yet. So I'm excited to see how this is gonna be and if I like it. I asked you all on Instagram if you had any experiences in hostels, and everybody recommended it and said they're great. This was by far the cheapest way I could find to stay in Telluride. It was only $55 for the night, where hotel rooms were over $300. So I'm really excited that I get to stay here and not sleep in my car. So let's go on in and see what it's like. Alright, so according to my note, I'm in room 102 and bunk number 3. Let's go see. That's my bed. Okay, so there's clearly somebody else that's already been staying here. No big deal. I was hoping maybe I'd have it to myself, but that's okay. I'm just gonna need to be really respectful as I'm taking videos so that nobody else is uncomfortable or anything like that. It's really nice. Each bed also comes with its own locker where I could set the lock, set my combination on, and then this is it. This is my bed. Whee! The one note everybody told me on Instagram is that to pack earplugs, and so I'm extremely excited to see that they have a whole jar of them, because I didn't book this until I was already in Telluride, so I had no idea to bring earplugs. You guys also said to bring a lock for the lockers, but luckily these are just a combination one, so this place has it all figured out. This is awesome. I can see that there's a fireplace outside and there's somebody sitting out there. I have a nice little patio as well, so I'll give a full tour. She said there's also some hot tubs. Whoop whoop. This is a lot nicer than I anticipated. Good morning, everyone. My first night stay in a hostel went great last night. No problems at all. I barely heard anybody as they came in. I think I heard one group in the middle of the night. I only had one roommate in my 6-bed hostel room. We talked when I got in last night, and then she left before I even went to bed. I think she went out somewhere. Never heard her come in. Never heard her leave this morning. I slept until about 8:30, which is kind of late for me, and had a really nice, enjoyable, relaxing stay. They have some complimentary breakfast out right now, so I'm gonna go try to snag some of that before they put it up at 9 o'clock. But I just wanted to share that the Hostel Bivvi was absolutely fantastic. Thank you so much for making my first time in a hostel so comfortable, feel so safe and so welcoming. I hope to be back. Like I said, this was only $55 for the night to stay here. Hotels in Telluride are crazy expensive. So if you're ever looking for somewhere cheap, nice, friendly, everyone in here that I've met is about my age, a little under 30 or so. So it's really great for young people as well. So I highly, highly recommend the hotel or the hostel Bivvi here in Telluride.